What's up, my Mind Your Money business folks? It's me yet again with another video on today's stock news. And it says, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ climb as Becent dismisses sell-off. Retail sales miss. Doom, doom, doom. Not a bad thing, right? The market did go up a little, so let's see what the news is saying today. Hopefully you guys are having a blessed day. You're investing in the market. You're not sitting on the sidelines. You're not trying to time it. You're dollar cost averaging into the stock market. You're budgeting, so on and so forth. So it says here, U.S. stocks climbed on Monday as downbeat data and comments from Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent. Scott Bessent added to worries about the economy ahead of this week's Federal Reserve policy meeting. The S&P 500 was up 0.9%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained more than 1%. The tech-heavy NASDAQ Composite rose 0.7%. The gauges edged higher after a sell-off that saw the S&P 500 enter correction territory, and the Dow booked its worst weekly performance since May of 2023. Markets have been buffeted by economic slowdown fears and uncertainty over Trump's unpredictable tariff policies. Bessent inflamed those worries on Sunday when he told NBC that he's not worried about the recent slump in stocks, saying corrections are healthy. That is true. It happened all the time. This isn't the only year, this isn't the first year, and it will not be the last year where corrections happen. He added that there are no guarantees to U.S. stocks there are no guarantees the U.S. will avoid recession. It happens, right? But typically after every recession or every slowdown or downturn, things go back up. You know, that's why you have to be in the stock market. I'm in it for the long haul. Right? It's a gamble. I'm taking a risk, but I'm taking a calculated risk. So it says his stocks were trading higher on Monday as bets of rate cuts this year rose after a fresh print showed retail sales rose less than expected in February, while January's reading was revised lower. Monthly retail sales were up 0.2% versus an estimated a 0.6% rise, while the previous month 0.9% drop was revised to fall of 1.2%. Meanwhile, the New York Fed's reading on manufacturing activity in New York State showed a sharp pullback in March, with the headline business conditions index falling to negative 20 from a reading of 5.7 in February. Things are just not going too well. Wall Street is also bracing for the Federal Reserve two-day meeting starting Tuesday, where it is widely expected to stand pat on interest rates. Investors will look for any sign of that Trump policies are changing the central bank's views of the future of the economy. It is what it is. Things just aren't looking that great. But I will say this. I have taken hits to my portfolio, right? My 401k, my IRA. But I still have gains from the previous years. So even though the losses suck, but I will say that I haven't lost any of my principal money that I personally invested. The losses that I have taken recently are monies that I made on my investments. So that's one thing I'm telling myself to look at, even though I've been seeing a lot of red lately, right? So let's see, what has NVIDIA done today? No, that is the wrong link. NVIDIA. Nvidia is currently down $1.55. Also, I believe on the 19th, Jensen Huang, the CEO of Nvidia, is going to be speaking. Yeah, he's going to be speaking at an AI event. My internet is going a little slow, so please forgive me. Oh no, Nvidia is actually down $2.14. That was quick. Wow. Tesla's down $11.97. My S&P 500 SPLG ETF is up 50 cents. My information technology ETF FTEC is up 96 cents. Palantir is up $1.11. What else? What is Broadcom doing? A video. This is going to be a quick video. Broadcom is down $1.04. Things just aren't looking that great. But again, buy the dip. The article that I just read talked nothing about a specific company. It talked about manufacturing. It talked about the unpredictable tariff situation. It talked about Federal Reserve meeting soon to talk about interest rates. Nothing to do with a specific company, like an Nvidia, like a Tesla, like a Palantir, like a Broadcom. So it's just these different things that aren't specific stocks are affecting the stock market. So that just goes to show you how there are a lot of things that can affect the market. It's almost like your body. There are certain things in your body that something can go wrong within your body that may affect another area in your body as well. Or your car. You don't put oil in that mother sucker. It's going to cause problems to the overall engine. So just look at it that way. These different things are affecting the market. Hopefully when things settle down, we can get back to, I don't know if things will ever be normal, but you just have to invest. You have to trust your instinct. You have to just take a chance, because you won't get anything in life by trying to play it too safe. So yeah. So I just see that there are a lot of changes on the horizon. There's a lot of changes happening within the federal government in the U.S. And yeah, that's all I have. Not a whole lot. Hopefully, things will get better. So like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think. If you think anything at all, continue to invest, continue to budget, continue to get out of debt, gain control of your money and your finances, your future. Just like there are cuts happening within the federal government, I believe that same stance is going to be taken in the private sector over the long haul. Because at the end of the day, things are changing, times are changing, people are changing, and it's all about the money. It's all about the money. And when you have money, you have control. When you have your own money, you have control. When you budget, you have control. When you live below your means and you're still able to do what you want to do and have what you want to have and do what you want to do, you're in control. And the last place I want to be, and the last place I want you to be, is not in control of your situation and become dependent on something or someone else. That's not a good feeling, because not always will that thing or that person or those people have your best interest. And then if you're one of many, it's like, how likely is it for you to get everything that you want and need when there's more than just you that needs to be taken care of? It's like your kids. Say you have a big family and your budget is stretched thin. You're going to have to give your kids whatever you can afford. And it may not be the best thing, but It is what it is. So I just believe that right now we are still in a place where we can take advantage of a lot of situations, a lot of things, and not get too distracted on things we cannot control. That's why, again, I named this channel Mind Your Money Business. Like, mind your business. Tend to your garden. Plant seeds up here. Try to figure out how to better your life in your situation, and stop allowing yourself to be distracted by the television, social media, things other people say or do, being envious of what other people have. Just remember, like on social media, even like this YouTube channel and me in this video, you're only getting the version of me that I'm showing you. You only get the version of other people, what they show you. But you don't really know me. You don't really know these people that we may envy and idolize. We don't know them. So, I mean, at the end of the day, we're still human. We still go through things. We can talk confidently. We can look a certain way. But we still have our issues. So don't think that what you see is real and that people are walking around totally happy 100% of the time, in control 100% of the time, feeling their best 100% of the time. No. Life is not all peaches and cream. We go through things. But it's all about learning and moving forward. Never forget. Don't hold on to it. Just move forward and learn from whatever the situation may be. Now, I don't even know what all that just meant. I was just rambling. So let me get off here so I can go to work. I hope that it made sense. Yeah, anyway, like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think, if you think anything at all. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so please consult with the financial advisor before you invest any of your money, because any and all information on my channel is for entertainment purposes only. All right, you guys, take care. Have a blessed day.